podcast. Today we'll talk about how can you get sad receipts on your Yazio app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, just go down here, click on receipts here, just click on it here down. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on get started here. Then it's going to show for you like this. If you want here how what you describe here your cooking skills, beginner or average here or chief level. I'm going to click here on beginner here. Here do you struggle with here ingredients here and steps. I'm going to click here, for example, yes. Click on next here. Then here, how many times do you cook per day? I'm going to click on I cook maybe here. Then you click on next. Then here, what kind of recipes do you usually look for? I'm going to click on this, for example. You click on next here. So then it's going to show for you this question again here. How do you currently here manage your grocery list? I'm going to click here. You click on next. Then here, can you get here your premium here if you want, or can you just skip it here? I'm going to skip it. Then it's going to show for you if you want to spin receipt here. So automatically here you have to get your premium here to get this here receipts on your app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.